The current generation of pre-built gaming desktops is all about delivering top-tier performance without the usual complexity, and this Thermaltake LCGS Avalanche i477T fits right into that category. It's designed for users who want serious power, clean design, and reliable thermals in a single ready-to-use system. Performance starts with the Intel Core i7-13700KF, a processor that easily handles demanding workloads. Its hybrid architecture allows it to balance heavy gaming sessions with background tasks like streaming or editing without slowing. Down. In actual use, everything feels fluid, whether it's launching applications, switching between tasks, or running intensive software. The graphics performance is driven by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti, which is built for high-quality gaming experiences. It delivers excellent results in modern titles at 1440p and performs impressively in 4K scenarios as well. With support for ray tracing and DLSS 3, games not only run smoothly but also look visually stunning with enhanced lighting and detail. Memory is another area where this system stays ahead. With 32 GB of DDR5 RAM at 5,600 metric tons per second, it offers fast data access and strong multitasking capabilities. Running multiple programs, editing large files, or keeping a game open in the background feels effortless and consistent. Storage is handled by a 2 TB NVMe M.2 SSD, which ensures quick load times and plenty of space. Large game installations, media files, and software projects all fit comfortably, and everything loads in seconds. This contributes to an overall experience that feels fast and responsive at all times. Cooling is a major highlight here. The AIO liquid cooling solution helps maintain optimal temperatures during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads. It not only keeps the system stable but also reduces noise compared to traditional air cooling setups, creating a quieter and more efficient environment. The overall design reflects a modern and functional approach. The case offers strong airflow, and the internal layout is clean with organized cable management. It looks polished without being overly flashy, making it suitable for both gaming setups and professional desks. Connectivity and expandability are also well handled. Built-in Wi-Fi, multiple ports, and upgrade-friendly components make it easy to adapt this system over time. It's not just powerful today, but also ready for future improvements if needed. In everyday usage, the system performs exactly as expected from a premium setup. Games run at high frame rates with smooth performance, creative tasks are handled efficiently, and multitasking remains seamless. It's designed to deliver a consistent and hassle-free experience. While the price reflects its high-end nature, the value comes from convenience and optimization. Everything is pre-configured and tested, so there's no need to worry about compatibility or setup issues. It's a complete solution that works right out of the box. For anyone looking to upgrade to a powerful gaming and productivity system without building one from scratch, this is a strong option. It combines performance, cooling efficiency, and design into a well-balanced package. If you're interested in getting this system, check the link in the description to find the latest pricing and availability.